I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I get up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I wash my face in the morning. I wash my face in the morning. I shower before school. I shower before school. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. I cook food with my family. I cook food with my family. I clean my room on Sunday. I clean my room on Sunday. I sleep at 10 p.m. I sleep at 10 p.m. I study English every day. I study English every day. I read a book in the evening. I read a book in the evening. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I listen to my teacher carefully. I listen to my teacher carefully. I speak English with my friends. I speak English with my friends. I learn new words every day. I learn new words every day. I open the door. I open the door. I close the window. I close the window. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I stand in the classroom. I stand in the classroom. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. I play football with my friends. I play football with my friends. I run in the park. I run in the park. I watch TV at night. I watch TV at night. I sing my favorite song. I sing my favorite song. I dance to music. I dance to music. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I help my parents. I help my parents. I work hard every day. I work hard every day. I relax at home in the evening. I relax at home in the evening.